The Mazda in-vehicle network malfunction, often indicated by diagnostic trouble codes like B2274 or U303, signals communication failures within your car's infotainment and telematics systems. This commonly affects Mazda models from 2017-2023, impacting features like navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and general connectivity. The root causes are primarily Telematics Control Unit (TCU) and Connectivity Master Unit (CMU), firmware issues, and in some cases water damage. First steps for troubleshooting include 1. Rebooting the system by holding the power button for 10 seconds. 2. Using an OBD2 scanner to check and clear any DTCs. 3. Ensuring your Mazda's software is up to date, ideally via over-the-air OTA updates through the My Mazda app. For example, using an OBD2 scanner might show a code like B2274, and clearing it could resolve the issue. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the malfunction, the problem may stem from deeper software corruption or water ingress. For software issues, verify you have the latest CMU TCU firmware installed. If not, visit a Mazda dealership for a software flash, typically covered under recall. For suspected water damage common in CX-5 models, inspect the CMU and TCU for corrosion. Prevention involves parking in dry areas and considering weatherproofing sprays. If hardware is damaged, replacement is necessary, with costs ranging from $500 to $1,500. Mazda has issued recalls such as NHTSA campaign numbers 22V577 and 23V123 to address these issues with free CMU TCU replacements or software updates, so check if your vehicle is affected. Newer models have improved water resistance and self-diagnostic tools in the My Mazda app.